This is bonus file 2. So now you're going to have bonus file 2 to deal with. And you see here we got 42,338 packets displayed. And you want to go through the process that we've been talking about and the methodology. And again, the process and the methodology is looking at the traffic and seeing if anything's suspicious. So as I start scrolling through here, I'm seeing a lot of resets. So that's definitely something you might want to take a look at that's suspicious. So I'll do as I've done before, and I'll actually post this and give you some time to try to analyze it and see if you can tell what's taking place. There's a lot of information in here, and follow the process. And I'll post it again when I actually put in the announcement in the class. But it's the same process. You have the suspicious, look for suspicious traffic, look for ports, look for data. Once you find data, start looking at the sessions, looking at the streams, try to determine what's taking place, and enjoy. That's what part of doing protocol analysis is experimenting, getting more information and more practice at different types of network traces. So have fun.